you now make your way down the stairs and to the space between the deck and the front office monument sign, you'll notice a highly stylized and period-appropriate sign carefully constructed to blend seamlessly with the building using cedar post cap and ball design. The graphics were designed by talented artist Curtis Killorn, whose work is featured throughout the building. Curtis's work can be seen in the hand-painted fireplace tiles, intricate medical dioramas, and colorful ceiling medallions. Keeping with the Victorian-themed setting, the colors and interior decor were largely created with the expert Victorian consultation of Redlands' own David Hayscamp. Now we will begin discussing the color palette. Over the years, as colors fade and dust settles on colorful Victorian buildings, these homes often develop a drab and muted tone that does not do them justice. After careful consultation with Corey Capaldi, the executive director of the Heritage Square Museum in 2018, exact color matches were obtained from the iconic Hale House to develop the building's color palette using 12 exterior and 24 interior colors. Putting the pain in painting, talented locals Ron and Matt Smith detailed each piece of detail work with up to 3 shades of green. The Smiths stand by their work and regularly maintain the building beauty. For this, they are greatly appreciated. Interestingly, the Hale House was originally even more colorful, but proved to be so distracting that in fact it caused many traffic accidents. People mesmerized by the colors would become distracted. The repainted and less distracting colors used on the home are the ones used here. The original cedar shingles above you were heavily damaged, so the replacements were reproduced exactly as they had been originally cut. They were stained with high-quality paint-grade stain, and the original gable vents were gently restored to remain true to the building. Historically, shingles on Victorian homes were painted, but Dr. Watson believes this was out of necessity due to the lack of technology to adequately preserve exposed wood at the time. For now, the beauty of the original wood contrasts perfectly with the exotic green background, providing a stunning representation that embodies all that is Victorian, and thus the motivation behind the name Jenny Lind, an iconic figure and opera singer made famous in the mid-19th century, also embodying all that is Victorian. Complementing the color palette, you will notice discrete lighting units hidden under the eaves. This allows for unique holiday special event lighting that brings out the brilliant color scheme with class and style. Installed by Michael Simmons of High Tech Lights, the light shows are combined with music and deliberately designed as a way to bring beauty and elevate community spirit on special occasions. A quick segue about the interior before directing your eyes up to that strange door. With bathrooms not installed until the 1920s, people had to use an outhouse out back. We believe this may have been located near the northeast corner of the lot where the former garage stood, now a large ash tree. Many homes in Redlands find these former outhouse sites filled with old bottles and other relics of the past. We found many horseshoes and shards of clay pipe. Unique for this type of building, this structure houses 3 bathrooms. Inside is the clawfoot tub, listed in the original inventory upon its purchase by Nurse Gray. 2 custom showers, including a unique marble-filled steam shower, complete with a waterfall, installed by expert tiler Larry Nadeau. An outhouse mock-up was installed on the southwest corner of the building as a callback. Additional stunning interior renovations involve a handcrafted hidden attic room with automatic drop-down staircase and continuing with the ship-top theme built with pride and precision by Mark Josephson Construction and craftsman Gilbert Cantillano.